Good morning students. Today here we are with another unit 4B electronic spreadsheets. And everybody is familiar with the concept of spreadsheet because in your earlier classes you all have read about the spreadsheets many times. So here the first session is getting started with Microsoft Excel 2010. Excel. This is a spreadsheet program. We do have number of spreadsheet programs. Spreadsheets, as the unit says, electronic spreadsheet. That means spreadsheets can be made manually also by our hands. But the unit will discuss about the electronic spreadsheets, those we get on the computers. So under this, we are going to discuss about the Excel. Excel is an electronic spreadsheet, that is the spreadsheet program that is available to work on computers. It is Microsoft Excel because this is developed by Microsoft company, so therefore we call it as Microsoft Excel. Just similar to Excel, there are number of other spreadsheet programs also, but here we are going to discuss about only the Microsoft Excel. As Excel is basically concerned with the calculation purpose. So here some examples are given that let us recall how do we used to do calculations earlier. So you can see for calculation purpose earlier we used to make use of our fingers, then we made use of the calculators, and then these calculators are replaced with the computers. So this is where on the computers Excel will come into existence, where the usefulness of Excel will come. So with this you must have got an idea that Excel is basically a calculation program that is concerned with the mathematical calculations. So as you can see, it is written over here, electronic spreadsheet is a powerful and versatile software that is used to store information, compile data, sort, rearrange data in order to analyze and make decisions and produce graphs and charts. Now, this Excel is not only concerned with the calculation. Already it is written over there, electronic spreadsheet is powerful and versatile. We call it as versatile software. Excel is versatile software. Why? Because it's not only storing the data, it's not only calculating the data for you, rather it is doing number of other jobs on that data. Like for example, it is compiling the data, it is also sorting the data, it is rearranging the data, it can analyze the data, it can even create charts on the data. So we see that Excel, no matter is for calculation, but it can do number of other jobs also. Because it is responsible, it is doing number of other jobs also. That is why we call that Excel is a versatile program, or any of the spreadsheet is a versatile program. Now certain examples how these spreadsheets can be used, you can see. Spreadsheet can be used to prepare the birthday list, to prepare the mark sheets, to prepare the daily attendance by the teacher. Even it can be used to create the budgets, can be used to create customer information, sales tracking report. So you can see a number of things are there for the purpose that Excel or any of the electronic spreadsheet can be used. Now because you are seeing that this is being used for a number of purpose, that's why it is versatile. It can be used for more than one purposes. We said that there are number of programs that are used for the calculation purpose beside Excel. That is, there are number of other spreadsheets also available. So one of them is the Excel that we are going to discuss, that is desktop based, and it is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Other electronic spreadsheet is Apple Number. This is also desktop based, but it is developed by Apple Corporation, and it works on the iWork productivity suite. You can't use it on Windows. Then we have the Open Office, Apache Open Office. This is also desktop based, and it is developed by Apache Software Foundation. Then we have the LibreOffice Calc. This is a free and open source processor that can be used with the package, with the LibreOffice software package. Then we have the Google Sheets. These are internet based. When you will be using your internet, you will make use of the Google Sheets, and these are developed by Google Incorporation. Then we have the Office 355. Office 355, this is a Microsoft Excel, but is Excel online, that is internet based Microsoft Corporation. The difference is that Microsoft Excel is desktop based, whereas Office 355 is internet based. So these are some of the other spreadsheet software which can be used for your calculation purpose, for your data analysis purpose. Now we move on to the features of the spreadsheet tool. Any of the spreadsheet tool, not only Excel, but every of the spreadsheet tool has following features, following characteristic. First characteristic is ease of entering data. That is, typing the data is quite simple. You will type the data just as the way you used to do in your digital documents. Here, when you will write the data that is in the text form, that will be left aligned. And if you will write numbers, if you will enter numbers in the spreadsheet, that will get right aligned. But if you wish, you can change your alignments also. Next comes the feature of editing. Editing, that is changes. Changes can be made easily to the data. We can find the text, we can replace the text, we can delete the rows, we can delete the columns, we can delete the cells. So that editing is quite easy over here. Then we have the formatting feature. Formatting will be enhancing your data, the looks of your data. So for enhancing the looks, for making your data look quite impressive, we can change a lot of things. We can change font face, we can make the size of the font bold, we can underline them, we can italize them, and number of things we can do. Then we can do tabulation of the data. Tabulation of data, that you can enter your data easily in the sequence. Next feature, and a very helpful feature, is the mathematical calculation. Simple as well as the complex calculation can be used, can be done using the formula and the functions very easily and accurately. Charts. Your data can be visually represented easily in the forms of charts and graphs without much of the difficulties. Then we have the sorting and filtering of the data. Sorting and filtering will allow your data to be arranged in a particular manner. Then after that, we have another feature of protection of data. Data can be protected, your spreadsheet can be protected using the password. If you wish, nobody will be able to open your spreadsheet and see the data until and unless password is not provided. So you can give password protection. Password protection can be given so that unauthorized changes to the data could not be done. Work with other softwares. Even if you have created an Excel sheet, that can be opened up with a number of other programs. Like you can insert them in the Word, you can insert these spreadsheets into the presentations, and even with the other programs you can open them up. So these are some of the features of the spreadsheet tools that make them quite helpful for using.